Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Real quick, when I say live, what I mean is that I'm recording myself right now in real time, seeing information, seeing the data for the very first time. In other words, I don't know what's coming next. So to respect your time, if you are looking for a video where the person's got hindsight in their favor and they're doing a trade recap or something like that, this won't be a video for you. But if you are open to the idea of an unscripted, nitty-gritty, dirty look into what it's like to be a day trader and how day trading can play out, I'm confident you'll find value in this video. So I will pause the recording software for now and I'll be back at market open. Have an order at 1720 here for a put. I got that. And I'm out there for a $50 move in just a few seconds. If you blinked, you missed it. I am doing options. If when I say that you have no idea what I'm talking about, then just let me know in the comment section. Put guide, please, and I will send you a link to a free class that I put together that called the Big Basics of Options, and it will make all this make a whole lot more sense to you. So you'll get the basic terminology and stuff like that. You'll understand more so what's going on. So again, if you have no idea or very little idea of what I'm talking about when I say I'm trading options, like I said, just let me know in the comment section, and I will gladly send you a link to that guide. So there we go. Starting off, I need to stop talking right now. Try again for another put there at 15.10. So we'll see if this wants to come up some more. Now we'll be ready for it. And I'm at 15.10. All right, I'll go ahead and pause, and I'll keep an eye. I'm going to keep it up here just in case it shoots up there quick. Nope. All right, never mind. I'll pause. Have an order at 21.20. I'm actually going to cancel that out and go to 19.10 here. Or actually, not 19.10, 18.70. See if we can get a fake break of that blue line. So 18.70. See it come up through there. Again, I'm looking for it to break through that blue line, come up a bit, looking, and just have it be a fake break. Well, at least pulls back enough to then allow me out. But maybe I should just be getting in right now because it's not going to break it at all. But we don't have hindsight, so that's the choices we always face. Maybe I'm going to be wrong to try to play a fake breakout here because maybe it doesn't break out and it just flat out gets rejected. But that's what I'm choosing, so that's what I'm going to go with. But maybe you think I should be playing the rejection? And let me know in the comment section, and we'll see who was right and who was wrong. But of course, you have to pause the video right now and comment. Don't wait to see what happened and then tell me what you would have done. But as of right now, looking like I maybe should have played the rejection. All right, I will pause. Okay, I'm at 17.70, so we got the break. See it come up just a bit more. All right, well, I gave it plenty of time, so I need to now go down to 17.10. So I'm at 17.10 now. In. Out for another $50 move. Very good. I'm going to change strike prices, so you'll notice that. Whoops. My marker is on the wrong screen. Let me bring that up here. So when I change strike prices, you'll notice that the prices of this are going to change. So that right there will change. So let's go up to, there we go. All right, well, if this wants to keep coming up, I will try to play another put, but if it wants to start to drop back down, maybe things will get changed around. But there we go, 9:43, 13 minutes in, $100. I'm not sure of many places in the world where you can make $100 in 13 minutes. I would never go up to somebody that makes minimum wage and complain that I made $100 in 13 minutes. That would make me an absolute greedy savage. But so there we are. All right, I will pause and I'll look around, see what else, something else takes shape. Have an order at 15.70 in. And in at 15.70. Might like to add some more here. So just took a $40 loss on that one. Never got to where I wanted to add more. So I decided, you know what, let me just mitigate the loss here. Keep it small. So I never needed to panic out and take a bigger loss than what was required. But yeah, that was obviously not as good of an entry point as what I thought it would be. But let's go to 1950 here. Again, changing the strike price. Let's see what happens up around that blue line, if it can get up there. So, all right, there was a losing trade. I realize it doesn't reflect it down there, but remember that was at a 50. So now it's at a 10. So that's where the $40 loss is actually being reflected. Well, we'll see if this can come up some more. Again, I'm looking to play a couple puts at 1950. All right, I'll pause. Okay, was close to 1950. Did not fill me. So at this point, we've got to go to 1870. So I was close to getting filled, but not close enough. So I'm now at 1870. There is a bit of a guessing game, so I think it's going to be more so 1770 where I actually want to get filled. So let's just see another pop up and I'll be ready at 1770, but I will pause. I'm at 2250 and in. And in at 2250. And out for a nice $100 sniper shot there. So let's go to 1950 now. And we'll try to do the process all over again. Now the main learning lesson here is, let's keep a close eye on it, but okay, this one. Look at the value of this one. Remember, I ended up just getting out for a loss at 1550. Had I gotten stubborn, look at these values now. That's, literally hundreds and hundreds of dollars more. Let's see, I want to make sure my math is right. Yeah, every dollar would have been $200. So yeah, I mean, we're looking at potentially $1,200 in losses here. Literally, based on the options math. Again, if you don't understand options math, check out the guide. But that could have been a $1,200 loss and increasing at this time. Had I not just cut the loss, had I not just cut that $40 loss, I'm not kidding. Again, you can go do the math. I know it sounds crazy, but I would now be looking at a potential $1,200 and growing. Because look at this, now it's dropping even more. So more of the story here, by far, the most important thing, this has been the most important real life example in a while for these live trade videos, is just cut the loss. Cut the loss. I got to come back to this because if this thing keeps coming up, I also got to make an alert. I do offer a private community, so yes, that's where I was making the alert too. That is right around, 445. So yeah, 1910, I will put an order out there. If it gets up to there, let me just double check. Yeah, 1910. So imagine that could be, and again, that number, we'll revisit it. But as this goes higher, that loss would be getting bigger and bigger and bigger. So $40 loss versus, yeah, look at that. Now we're basically at a $1,400 loss. So $1,200 now we're at 14, still growing. It's just not worth it. Just take the loss. Cut the loss, keep it controlled. And yes, I realize my voice is animated, but truly, I mean, I'm passionate about that because that's what trading is actually all about. It's not about winning. It's about how do you manage risk. Because think about Benjamin Franklin, a penny saved is a penny earned. In some senses, I just made myself $1,400 in growing by cutting it at 40. Because had I gone in a stubborn mode and it'll come back down, it'll come back down, it'll come back down, that loss would be huge compared to the $40 that I took it. Wow, valuable earning lesson. I can't stress that enough. I know maybe it seems like I'm going a little overboard on it, but for any of you veteran traders out there, you know what I mean. You know that, you know what, it's so much better to just keep a loss small compared to letting something like that spin out of control. Because this move here, does it usually happen? Does it normally happen? No, it doesn't. But can it happen? Yeah, we're witnessing it right now. And all it takes is one of those trades and you are in a world of hurt. All right, I will pause. And just as a quick update, remember that one that I sold for $15.50 for that $40 loss? It is now, if I wanted to get out, at $4.50. Okay, I have an order at $18.70 for a call. Just needs to come down a bit more. Come on. All right, perhaps at this point, going to need to go down to 18.10. Look for an additional bigger move down. All right, I will pause. Have an order at 19.10 here. So the price needs to come down a bit more for this call. All right, I'll pause, but I'll keep a close eye on it. Have an order at 18.70. Yeah, we can do that later. Just talking to my daughter. Okay, I will pause. Quick little update. Remember that one that I could have just held and hoped? Now current price, $3. Well, we'll call it $3 now. $3. Just cut the loss. Have an order at $22.50 for a call. It needs to come down a bit more. All right, I don't like how it hesitated there, so let's go to $21.70 now instead. I'm now at $21.70. Need another push to the downside. That blue line right there. So getting close. Oh, come on. All right, try it again. Did not fill, so we got to go to 21.10 now. And then I'll play that area of support. Okay, I will pause, but I'll watch it closely. Have an order at 19.10. Some good action, but I want to play it extra cautious. And if I don't get filled, not the end of the world. I'm already up a good amount, so I can be extra high maintenance here. Let's see if we can get another acceleration to the downside. I will pause. Okay, at 19.70 here. Come on. All right, it's literally just hovering right below where I want it in. Just go back and you'll see that it stopped 10 cents above where I want it in. So we'll go to 18.70 now at this point. That was frustrating. I will pause, but I'll keep an eye on it. All right, I'm at 17.70 now. Going to try again. It just keeps pausing right above where I just can't do it. I can't let it pause right above me. Let's go to 16.70. I will pause. Okay, I have an order at 15.70. Once again, paused. So I'll try at 14.70. I need a quick move up and I need to get filled quickly. All right, I'll pause. You know what? I'm not going to get it recording until it looks like I'm basically going to get filled because I'm sick and tired of doing this to you. So I will pause. Well, that is all I have, and overall today feels like $1 million because had I gotten, in fact, let's just, yeah, look at that. Now at $2, and that's bad. I mean, that's basically as rough as it gets. $2.10 in terms, $2 right there. Yikes. Just cut the loss. That's all I can say. Just cut the loss. But that's all I have for you. So yes, not up a huge amount, but given everything, feels like I'm up way more because yeah, penny saved is a penny earned, and by cutting that loss, I have earned myself a whole lot more than potentially being down thousands upon thousands of dollars more compared to that $40 loss that I took, which was then followed up by a quick $100 trade, which of course wiped away the $40 and then put me up another $60 on the day. So that's all I have for you. If you enjoy these live trade videos, and this is by far the most important one I've done for a long time. So if you're still here, still watching, type risk management in the comment section to let me know that you're still here because that is by far the most important thing. So again, down in the comment section, type risk management, hit that like button. Thanks for watching. Take care. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.